Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove a fill color in my Google Sheets. So get ready start. At first, open your Google Sheets document. Now I can see, then show the fill color. This fill color is the remove. Firstly, now select from the first fill color. Now going to the fill color option. Now click for the reset option. That's it. Then show the remove the fill color. Then again select from the fill color option. Now going to the fill color. Then click for the reset option. Then click for same process. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.